Golconda, a historic citadel and fort located in the western part of Hyderabad, India, has a rich and fascinating history. Here are 10 lesser-known facts about Golconda. 1. Origin of the name. The name Golconda comes from the Telugu words Gola, shepherd, and Konda, hill, meaning shepherd's hill. 2. Ancient trade hub. Golconda was a flourishing trade center in the 16th and 17th centuries, especially famous for its diamond trade. Some of the world's most famous diamonds, including the Koh-i-Noor and the Hope diamond, were believed to be mined from the Golconda region. 3. Acoustic Marvels. The fort is known for its incredible acoustic system. A hand clap at a certain point below the dome at the entrance can be heard clearly at the highest point of the fort, almost a kilometer away. This was used as a warning signal in case of an attack. 4. Intricate water supply system. Golconda Fort had an advanced water supply system. The water was stored in a series of aqueducts, pipelines and Persian wheels, which supplied water to different parts of the fort. 5. Treasure vaults. The fort is said to have had hidden treasure vaults, which were used to store the wealth accumulated from diamond trade and other revenues. These vaults were well guarded and their locations kept secret. 6. Mosques and Temples. Golconda Fort houses several mosques and temples, showcasing the religious tolerance and coexistence during the Qutub Shahi dynasty's rule. 7.